What's happening, party people? I am at Swedish Car Parts, picking up a new bumper skin for my 850Rs. Look at this thing. It's gonna be an incredible fit. It's got the tabs, lock it into the top piece. It's got the tabs to fit those bottoms on. It's got the holes for the fog lights. And it has a gel coating on it that is ready to paint. You can get it in black or you can get it in white. Again, gel coat, ready to paint, ready to install, ready to rivet on. It is fiberglass. And they are on the website. Shipping on this box, this is the box they come in. It's like 73 by 24 by, I don't know, 14, 15. I think it weighs about 10 pounds. If you want help getting your price down, I'm available to load some of these things up in a U-Haul trailer and bring them in between Cincinnati and Albuquerque, New Mexico, via partly I-70 over towards Lincoln, Nebraska, through Kansas City. You know, you have to meet me to pick it up. Again, it's a big box. You could take it out of the box and take the lower bumper spoiler out of here. Contact me if you want to do something like that. Throw me a few bucks. I'll help you with the delivery, get your costs down. And more importantly, if you have an R that needs one of these bumpers, again, ready to paint, ready to go. This thing is manufactured to fit on your 850. Even if you're trying to do an R clone, it's fiberglass. So you can't be hitting curbs and all that stuff. Well, you can't be doing that stuff with these things anyway. So if you got a lowered car, stay clear of curb stop, stuff like that. Try not to hit any dogs, deer, stuff like that. Fiberglass may not be as forgiving as some of this rubberized stuff, but hey, you know how to drive. You know you got a piece on there that you don't want to destroy. Get you some. So if you want my help getting you one delivered, act fast, act now. We're making a list of people that need that help. Like I said, help offset my towing and U-Haul rental. And I'll bring you one. You can meet me somewhere close to the freeway to get it. If you don't, hey, just go break you off some change and get one. These things are hard to find, and there's not too many people able to ship them. So here they are. Thanks for watching.